You cannot block leaders from this. You can't block leaders from accessing the airport. But why do you stop people? Let's go. You can't block leaders from the airport. You have to tell us why you're blocking us. Why?
My friend, you are not allowed to.
You can't block leaders. We are not. I know the laws. I know the laws. The part you talk about is when you want to exercise.
And I know inside. We have met with you severally.
Yes.
Let me not
the reception.
Let me tell you one thing. Let us stop. I'm a police officer.
Yes.
Being a police officer, for me to be in the airport, I have a pass. Why should I have a pass and I'm in uniform? Ask yourself that question.
Because you go into
Ask yourself that simple question. No. For you to be at that airport, you are supposed to have a genuine reason for you to be there.
these people driving. Have you seen their passes? Have you seen their passes?
But can you search us?
No, you are not Buseneta.
You can search us.
Let us go for the search.
You give us protection.
That is why I was waiting for you. And Alwale here.
So give us protection. We go finish our business and we come out.
Give us protection.
We know you are under pressure. So we are going.
The authority is the problem with you.
Let us walk in and give us protection.